Welcome back to the channel! If you're a fan of American muscle cars, you're going to love what Ford is preparing next. The 2027 Ford Mustang is shaping up to be one of the most luxurious and advanced Mustangs ever created, blending iconic performance with premium comfort and cutting-edge technology. While staying true to its legendary heritage, this next-generation Mustang is expected to deliver an experience that feels more refined, more powerful, and more exciting than ever before. So, if you've ever wondered what happens when muscle meets luxury, stay with us until the end because this car could completely redefine what a Mustang can be. At first glance, the 2027 Mustang is expected to carry forward its unmistakable aggressive stance while introducing a sleeker and more sophisticated design. The front fascia may feature slimmer LED headlights, a wider grille, and sculpted air intakes that improve both style and aerodynamics. Every angle of the body appears designed to emphasize speed, even when the car is standing still. Strong character lines flow across the sides, while muscular rear fenders remind everyone that this is still a true Mustang at heart. Premium alloy wheels, redesigned taillights, and a modern rear diffuser complete a look that feels both timeless and futuristic. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice that luxury has taken center stage. High-quality leather upholstery, soft touch materials, and elegant metallic accents are expected throughout the cabin. Ford could introduce a completely redesigned dashboard featuring an even larger curved digital display that seamlessly combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Ambient lighting with customizable colors creates a premium atmosphere, while supportive sports seats ensure comfort whether you're commuting through the city or taking a long road trip. Heated and ventilated front seats, premium audio, wireless charging, and advanced voice controls may all become standard or available options, making every drive feel first class. Technology is expected to play a major role in the 2027 Mustang. Drivers could enjoy faster software, improved smartphone integration, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, and a smarter navigation system that learns your driving habits. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system are also expected to make daily driving safer and more convenient. Of course, no Mustang would be complete without serious performance. Although Ford hasn't officially revealed every detail, industry expectations suggest a lineup that could include an upgraded turbocharged EcoBoost engine alongside an even more powerful V8 for GT enthusiasts. Improved horsepower, faster throttle response, and a refined suspension system could deliver an even more engaging driving experience. Drivers may also benefit from selectable drive modes that allow the car to transform from a comfortable cruiser into an aggressive track ready machine with the push of a button. Improved steering precision and enhanced braking performance should inspire confidence whether you're carving through winding roads or accelerating onto the highway. Fuel efficiency is also expected to improve thanks to better engine management and lightweight construction. Ford continues to focus on balancing thrilling performance with everyday practicality, making the Mustang more enjoyable for both weekend adventures and daily commuting. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Ford Mustang is expected to remain competitive within the premium sports coupe segment. Entry-level models may start in the mid-30,000 range, while fully loaded GT or performance-focused trims could reach well beyond 60,000 depending on equipment and options. Considering its expected blend of luxury, technology, and legendary performance, many enthusiasts will likely see it as an excellent value. The 2027 Ford Mustang isn't just another update, it's a bold evolution of an American icon. It promises to deliver breathtaking style, premium comfort, modern technology, and a thrilling performance that has made the Mustang famous for generations. If Ford delivers everything enthusiasts are hoping for, this could easily become one of the most desirable sports cars of the decade. What do you think about the upcoming 2027 Ford Mustang? Would you choose it over its rivals? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video!